The Golden Retriever is more than just a beautiful dog with golden fur. It's one of the kindest, most loyal companions you'll ever meet. Known for their gentle nature and smart mind, Golden Retrievers are a top choice for families, kids, and even therapy work. They love being around people and hate being left alone for too long. These dogs are full of energy. They enjoy long walks, playing fetch, and swimming whenever they get the chance. But don't be fooled by their playful side. They're incredibly intelligent and easy to train. Golden Retrievers usually sleep 12 to 14 hours a day and do best on a routine that includes playtime, exercise, and lots of affection. Their diet should include high-quality dry food, plenty of water, and occasional healthy treats. One thing to know, they shed a lot. Regular brushing is a must to keep their golden coat clean and soft. What makes them special is not just their beauty, but their heart. A Golden Retriever is the kind of dog that will stay by your side no matter what, happy, loyal, and full of love.